Hello, I'm gonna introduce you to G-modular metric spaces. Okay, so let us define the ordinary metric space. So here we assume that X is an empty set, and we say that X is a metric space if for any 2 points P, Q in X, there is a defined real number called the distance between P and Q, such that the following axioms are satisfied. 1. The distance between P and Q is non-negative, which means that the distance between P and Q is greater than 0 if P is not equal to Q, and the distance between P and Q is 0 if P is equal to Q. B. The distance between P and Q is symmetric, which means the distance between P and Q is equal to the distance between Q and P. C. The distance function satisfies the triangle inequality, which means the distance between P and Q is less than or equal to the distance between P and W plus the distance between W and Q for all W in X. Now let us give an example of an ordinary metric space. Suppose X is a set of real numbers. For any two real numbers P and Q, define the distance between P and Q to be the absolute value of P minus Q. Then we see that D is a metric on the set of real numbers, because the absolute value of P minus Q is always non-negative. And 2, the absolute value of P minus Q is the same as the absolute value of Q minus P. And 3, the absolute value of P minus Q is the same as the absolute value of P minus W plus W minus Q. And so, by the triangle inequality, we have the absolute value of P minus Q is less than or equal to the absolute value of P minus W plus the absolute value of W minus Q.